You just found the 2022 Landrover Range Rover Velar. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Enjoy a view of this boldly styled Land Rover Range Rover Velar, the powerfully modern SUV with unmistakable heritage. Its fine materials and exceptional build quality beckon you to transcend the ordinary. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, heated mirrors, fog lamps, power liftgate, power passenger seat, four-wheel drive, heated front seat. Indulge your craving for style and performance in this remarkable Range Rover Velar. Come in for a test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.